strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is huge, Bill. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. They're calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Slips in place. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Missed that completely. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That is lovely timing from the batsman.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Gone straight into the hands of the fielder. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Not just it for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Slips in place.
That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped.
Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Spinner into the action from the other end.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here.
Trying to up the run rate there, but very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That's got to be out and given.
Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review, and they decide against it. batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Slips in place.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.
Let's congratulate